This is your feed and stock report for Wednesday, April 1st. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Northern Alberta Tuesday, steers 900 plus 457 to 473, 8 to 900 505 to 516, 7 to 800 541 to 590, 6 to 700 595 to 653, 5 to 600 660 to 731, 4 to 500 750 to 751, 3 to 400 775 to $9. Heifers 900 plus 417 to 433, 8 to 900 462 to 470, 7 to 800 482 to 513, 6 to 700 525 to 577, 5 to 600 605 to 630, 4 to 500 645 to 702. Alberta direct cattle sales so far this week have seen light trade develop with dress sales at $5.45 delivered, $5 higher than the previous week. Packers are not only inquiring about cash cattle, but also showing interest on wanting to acquire more contract cattle. Over the past 3 weeks, the Canadian dollar has declined almost 200 basis points. The softer Canadian dollar is positive for the cattle market and should encourage Canadian beef exports. Seasonally, the cattle feeder has gained leverage over the packer. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Tuesday, D1 and 2 cows 239 to 257, D3 cows 215 to 233. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 263 to 279. In the U.S., light trade was reported in Ottawa, with live sales at $238, $3 higher than last week. This light test of the market does not set a price trend. Business in the southern feeding states has been quiet, with no bids to speak of. USDA released its quarterly hogs and pigs report the other day. Despite profitability in the hog sector, the industry has been slow to rebuild numbers. Productivity efficiencies has offset declining sow numbers. Pigs saved per litter were 2.1% larger than last year. Total hogs and pigs on March 1st were just over 74 million head, up 0.3% versus last year. Trade, disease concerns, and limited growth in terms of packing capacity has acted as headwinds for expansion. National bone cows average 323.87 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.18, up 18 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: April 243.07, up 5; June 243.32, up 5; August 239.65, down 15. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.